It projects with the SP1 to F Wi-Fi module, mobile design. Another communication protocol used in smart home systems is the Wi-Fi protocol. Many devices such as lamps, air conditioners, televisions, thermostats, motors with Wi-Fi can be controlled, and these devices can be monitored. Wi-Fi communication is a widely used form of communication for device management, smart home management from local networks or wide networks. We showed the system connected to the Wi-Fi module, which we will give as an example in the previous article. The system is a system that is connected and managed by typing the IP address on a web browser. If we want to connect and manage this system with mobile application, we need to know how to make this mobile application. The basic example we made with FlutterDart is a good example of how to connect a Wi-Fi module connected system with a mobile app. Below are the code sample and explanations we wrote with FlutterDart. The t.dart library in these codes allows us to send commands to connect to the Wi-Fi device in a network connected to Wi-Fi. The MCU system installed as a web server on the Wi-Fi network has an IP, and our mobile application connects to the web server over this IP. It sends instructions to the web server with the GET method. Now, let's first look at Wi-Fi module connections and Arduino codes. You can see this wiring diagram from previous videos. We use this basic link in all our projects. These are the most important lines in these codes. At plus command equals to command makes it an access point, that is, a connected Wi-Fi point. AT plus CIP server equals 1.80 command line turns our Wi-Fi module into a web server. The codes here run when a request comes from a web browser or another connected computer. These HTML codes are sent when a request comes in. We connected to this Wi-Fi point from another computer, and we typed 19.168.1.1 in the web browser address bar. The web server responded to us. We are looking at the Wi-Fi server serial port screen. Connected to the Arduino, we see requests from the web browser, example like get Lennon. Flutter codes. We explained it in the previous example. To communicate with a web server, we must use the .dart library. That's why we included it here. Our mobile phone is currently connected to the Wi-Fi point. We have created. We know the IP, and we wrote it here. We can send the command we want to the 19.168.1.1 IP. Example, LAN on, let off, relay 1 on, etc. In this program, we have given only two examples of buttons. Buttons and other widgets can be duplicated. An important note with the help of this program: it is possible not only to send commands but also to receive data. With the help of the .dart library, we can also receive data from the server web server.